Ladies and gentlemen, it's Matthew Parker with Parker Auctions here again. I want to show you some more stuff we'll be selling Saturday, February 3rd at 10 a.m. at the Gulistan Carpet Factory. This is a great piece right here. This is a roll-up garage door. It is 10 feet wide. As you can see here to your left, this is a great piece. We will be starting the auction again at 10 o'clock in the morning. Hope to see you out there. The address is 3140 North Carolina Highway 5, about 1 mile past US 1 from Aberdeen on the way to Pinehurst. It's on your left, Gulistan Carpet Plant. We have styrofoam here. We have a lot of scrap steel. And we have, as we showed in another video, we have pallet racks, and a lot of this steel here comes from the cross members from pallet racks. We have assorted hardware and tools, as you can see here, an oxygen tank. We have sawhorses. As you can walk down here with me, this is just a virtual preview of some of the assorted material we will be selling that day, February 3rd of this year. As you can see, we're coming into some electrical materials. This will be some lighting, outdoor lighting, good for mobile homes or for any kind of home. We have lighting materials. We have we have ballast over here. This is actually a great pallet to focus in on right over here. If you look to the right, we have ballast for T8 or T12 lights, a pallet full of ballast there. We also have some fans. We have lighting fixtures. As we're moving into this next section, we have, as you can see, a transformer, some PVC fittings, a fire hose here, just some assorted material that we will be selling in addition to the pallet racks, the creosote lumber, the southern yellow pine, all the furniture, and the 45 cabinets, wooden cabinets that we'll be selling starting out at 10:30 in the morning. So we'll be doing that. As you can see here, we're coming into some rolling carts we'll be moving to. Remember, folks, we have to sell this out. We have to move all this material in order to start an artisan and crafters mall right here in the Gulistan Carpet Plant. This building is over 100,000 square feet in just this one section, folks. The building itself is 15 acres inside, just inside. This one section will be 100,000 square feet. It'll be big enough to hold 400 vendors here at the Artisan Crafters Mall. If you'll come over here and walk with me, we'll go down this other side. We have a lot more to show you. This is just one small section of everything that we'll be selling on that day, February 3rd. Again, we have rolling carts. We have a sort of steel, a fan here. This is a painting rack. You go ahead and you can step ahead of me, and I'll follow on right behind you. Drafting table and other assorted small yellow carts, rolling carts, great for shop tables. And I'd like to draw your attention to here, if you would turn to the right with me, to this miter saw. This is really a nice piece here. This is going to be something you're definitely going to want to pay attention to on the day of the sale, folks. Take a look at this. As you can come along here, we have a cement mixer that's mounted to a trailer. That could come in very handy for a do-it-yourselfer or somebody who mixes a lot of cement. Over to your right, we have some metal cabinets. We have about 4 cabinets that are very similar to this. Some are even larger than this cabinet. Come take a look at this. This is great. These pigeonholes are good for holding bolts, any kind of thing like at a shop or a hardware store. We have 4 cabinets that are very similar to this. Some are longer, in fact, than this cabinet. Some have smaller pigeonholes, but this is going to be something to keep an eye on at the auction because it will go well, hopefully. It'll do somebody a lot of good when they can take it back and put it in their shop and make a lot of use out of it here because we've got to clear this factory out. As you can see here, we also have some other assorted material. We have a treadmill up here that does work. It's in good condition. We have a 1914, as you can see up here on the left, a 1914 Keller Brothers piano that we'll be selling as well as we move into some furniture here. It's good. It's office furniture and home furniture too. That will be moved because they have about 2 acres worth of office space just in this building. So we have a lot of office furniture too to sell, ladies and gentlemen. We have these nice platform rockers. Come here, take a look at it. As you can see here, we're coming up on the piano to your left. And we all have chairs and more work tables and armoires and a entertainment center. 2 entertainment centers, in fact. A off-white entertainment center and a wood entertainment center here to the left, as well as kitchen table sets. We have some very nice pieces, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you can come out. Again, my name is Matthew Parker, North Carolina auction license number 9883. It'd be a pleasure to have you out here on February the 3rd at 10 o'clock in the morning at the old Gulistan Carpet Building. We will be selling it out, and all this stuff inside the building, as you can see here, will be moved. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you can see, we'll see you there on February the 3rd. Also check us out at www.parkerauctions.com. That's auctions with an S. or you can come find us at auctionzip.com. That's our auctioneer ID number for that is 46846. Again, that's 46846 for auctionzip.com. You can check out the rest of the lots that we have here, and we will be selling on February 3rd.